Hey there. I wanted to dive in today to give you an introduction to WordPress on ARM servers and talk about why they're beneficial. They are lower cost, cheaper servers. They are readily available from Hetzner in their Germany and Finland locations. They are not available in the US, so keep that in mind, and not available in Singapore. But it's interesting because the ARM servers are the cheapest, but also give you some good memory for the server and can be great for development servers, staging servers, low traffic websites, or use this server to keep only 1 or 2 or 3 websites on each server, and you'll see very little performance difference, but you'll definitely see a cost benefit there. Especially on Hetzner, the Intel servers are pretty inexpensive compared to AMD, but the ARM servers are cheaper than both of them. And I'll give you a comparison of that in the dashboard as we take a look at that once we are able to add a new server to the FlyWP dashboard. So without further ado, let's dig into the dashboard and take a look at how easy it is to create a new ARM server, and then how easy it is to add multiple websites to that and have a very inexpensive server that will run everything you need to run on it. So let's dive in. All right, we are in the FlyWP dashboard here. I've already clicked on the Create Server button, and then let's go ahead and click on the Hetzner provider. I've already connected Hetzner using my API key in the settings, so it comes right up with my Hetzner account. And then as we're looking for ARM servers, which is this tab here, what you're going to notice is it's only available in certain locations. So I just want to clarify that and highlight that for everybody. It's also only available under shared vCPU, not dedicated CPUs. Dedicated CPUs require AMD processors in most of the locations. Yeah, I think it's all of the different locations are AMD dedicated servers. So for ARM 64, we've got ARM servers in Falkenstein, Nuremberg, and Helsinki, Finland, my favorite, I don't know, for whatever reason. Not available in the US locations or Singapore. So just be aware of that. For these sort of lower cost servers, I think that's fine. The millisecond difference between those geographic ranges is sites, and you've obviously got the FlyWP caching in place and all of that. I don't think you'll see much of a performance difference there at all. So let's go ahead and set up a new 2-core 4GB server on the ARM 64 and watch how that progresses here in the FlyWP dashboard. And then we'll go ahead and add a WordPress site and show you just how easy it is to create a brand new server in FlyWP, low cost, a couple bucks a month. You can put multiple websites on a 4GB server, especially development and staging. 5 or 10 shouldn't be a problem. Low traffic sites shouldn't be a problem. You've got good caching most of the time. And so I think it'd be really beneficial to look into the ARM 64 servers. So in the 4-minute mark, which we're coming up to, so I'm gonna wait and see how much longer it takes on this page before it completes. And then we'll be ready to add some websites. There it goes. So right around the 4-minute mark, not too bad. You got your confetti there. And then we're ready to add a new website. So I'm going to show you how quick it is to add a new WordPress site. I'm just going to use the flywp.xyz test domain because I like how quick and easy it is. Great for development and staging sites. I can migrate sites over and change the domain easily and all that kind of good stuff. So I'm going to click next. We're going to stick with the default Nginx. Yeah, 8.3 and 8.4. I'll stick with 8.2 for now just because we know that there are no issues with that. We'll click next and then double click everything here. Looks good. Enable full page cache. Apple's new chips M1, M2, M3, and I guess there's an M4 chip now. Wow, that was fast. So we've already got our WordPress site up and running. So I think as you experience the ARM servers, this is just a basic 2-core 4 GB server for a couple of bucks a month. You really can do a lot in the FlyWP interface, especially when it makes it so easy to manage the sites and enable the caching and do all of the kinds of things that you want to do on a WordPress site. And you can do it very easily within the control panel on the Hetzner ARM servers. So let's click on caching here and see what we've got set up. It's already got the object cache installed. It's already got everything pretty much in place. What I like about the flywp.xyz test domains is I don't need to worry about the let's encrypt it. Automatically fires it off and it's already in place. So I can literally hit the WP admin button here to log me in, and then we're in the back end of our brand new website here, and click on the FlyWP plugin. You'll see that the page cache is already enabled and everything is looking good there. We've got all of our options from the plugin here as well, and we're ready to start doing some work on this server and installing all of our plugins and all of that kind of good stuff. Oh, it's also got the Redis Object Cache going and automatically configured, which I really like, especially keeping the site, the username and password and everything is already pre-configured for each site on FlyWP, which is really nice. Most control panels don't configure this automatically for you. So this is a great performance-oriented website ready to roll on your new ARM server. And again, just a couple of bucks a month gives you a complete server all on your own without anybody telling you how many sites you can. And so you can keep an eye on those kinds of things and make sure everything's running smoothly. And I think you should try it out. Try getting yourself a FlyWP account if you don't have one already, and then definitely try the ARM64 servers from Hetzner. I don't think they're going to disappoint you, and you'll be pleasantly surprised at the speed that you're going to experience, especially with this platform. So I think that's it for this video. We'll tackle some more topics very soon, and I look forward to hearing from you in the comments, and let me know if you got any questions on any of this. Happy to dig in and reply as well. Thanks. Bye.